What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix music app failed to play tracks error on your Redmi 13. So first of all, try restarting your phone. So to restart, press and hold on this power button and then swipe down and release your finger when this button gets green. So after restarting your phone, your issue will be fixed. But if you're still facing the issue, then open Play Store, go to the search bar and search for Power Ramp app and install this Power Ramp app. After installing this app, tap on open. And now you can play your tracks without any error in this app. So that's how you can fix music failed to play tracks error on your Redmi 13. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.